everyone, my name is Vijay Vasundhara and I'm back with your English lesson. Before beginning today's lesson, let me remind you that you have to like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video lesson with your friends and classmates. Today we are going to begin chapter 5 from our course book. The name of the chapter is Hard Times, a True Albanian Story. But before we begin, let's take a look at these pictures and tell me what is the first word that comes to your mind. The word that you are looking for is destruction. Because that's what a war gives a nation and its people. The destruction that you just saw is just one of the effects of a war. Studies have shown that wars cause more death and disability than any major disease. Death as a result of war is simply the visible result. Other consequences besides death are harder to survive. They include extreme poverty, malnutrition, disability, economic and social decline. It transforms the national citizen into refugees. According to 2018 statistics, there are 70.8 million refugees worldwide who have been forcibly displaced because of violence. The war has taken away their homes and livelihoods. There are no real winners in wars. All of those involved suffer high losses of human lives and economy. It's a vicious cycle that never ends. The most affected ones are women and children. Imagine living in constant state of fear, not knowing the future. Imagine growing up knowing only war. It is a terrible thing. It never lets people heal from the trauma. In this chapter, the writer has tried to give us a glimpse of the horrors of war, the trial that common people face during the war. And it starts with the title itself, Hard Times, a True Albanian Story. Hard times means tough times. And tough it is for the girl who is narrating the story and her family. Let's begin with a little introduction. Please take notes. I have already told you that hard time means tough time. The story is a personal narrative. Now, personal narrative is a written work related to personal experiences, usually told in first person. First person means using the pronoun I. The story is based in Albania. Albania is a small European country located near Greece. Its capital is Tirana. The background of the story is set in Kosovo War, which was fought in 1998-99. It was an armed conflict fought in Kosovo. It was fought between the forces of Federal Republic of Yugoslavia, which consisted of Serbia and Montenegro, which controlled Kosovo before the war, and the KLA, Kosovo Liberation Army. It is estimated that 13,500 Kosovar Albanians were either killed or went missing during this war, and 1.2 to 1.45 million Kosovar Albanians became refugees during and after the war. The story is about a young girl and her family's struggle for survival in a war-stricken Albania. We will be hearing her story in the upcoming videos. So students, that was the introduction to the chapter. And the name of the chapter is, yes, Hard Times, a True Albanian Story. So that was it for today's lesson. Don't forget to check the description box. You will find your class notes there and write them in your fair register. I'll see you again in the next video. Till then, take care of yourselves. Think about what we have learned today. Bye.